Have you ever wondered why businesses are so focused on social media these days? It's because today, social media isn't just a platform for connecting with friends, it's become a marketing powerhouse. Let's look at the rise of social media and its profound impact on marketing. Picture a small local bakery. Through the smart use of social media platforms, they start sharing mouth-watering images of their pastries, engaging stories of their bakers, and exclusive deals for their followers. Before you know it, their follower count grows, their products are selling like hotcakes, and their brand is recognized locally and beyond. This is the power of social media marketing. It's about engaging with your audience, building relationships, and offering valuable content that resonates with them. It's about leveraging these digital platforms to reach new heights. In the world of digital marketing, social media is a game changer. So, what does a social media marketing specialist do? Well, imagine a conductor orchestrating the symphony of a brand's online presence. They are responsible for creating and executing marketing strategies on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Picture these: a day in the life of a social media marketer. They kick off the morning by analyzing data from previous campaigns, using their analytical skills to interpret how well the content resonated with the audience. Then they put their creativity to work, brainstorming and crafting engaging posts to attract more followers and boost brand awareness. They also build relationships with their audience, responding to comments and messages, and keeping an eye on trending topics to ensure their brand stays relevant. They need to understand the target audience intimately, tailoring content to their interests, needs, and behaviors. This role demands a delicate balance of creativity, analytical ability, and audience understanding. A social media marketing specialist is the architect of a brand's online presence. What's the future of a social media marketing specialist, and what can they earn? Well, let's dive right in. With the exponential growth of social media platforms, the demand for skilled social media marketers is soaring. This means job prospects in this field are robust and are projected to grow even more in the coming years. Now, let's talk numbers. On average, social media marketers can expect to earn between $40,000 to $70,000 per year. But remember, this range can significantly vary based on different factors. Living in a major city with a high cost of living, expect a higher salary. Have a decade of experience or a proven track record of successful campaigns, you'll likely be at the higher end of the spectrum. Specialized in a sought-after area like influencer marketing or paid advertising, again, this could bump up your earnings. The future is bright for social media marketers, and the rewards can be substantial. Now let's address some questions that may be lingering in your mind. First off, what are some of the challenges in social media marketing? Well, the digital landscape is ever changing. Trends come and go, algorithms change, and audience preferences shift. So, staying up to date and pivoting your strategy accordingly can be a challenge, but it's also what makes this field so exciting. The next question might be, what skills are required for a social media marketer? Beyond understanding the platforms themselves, you need to have a knack for understanding people. It's about knowing what resonates with your audience, how to engage them, and how to tell a compelling story. Plus, data analysis skills are a huge bonus, as they allow you to measure your impact and optimize your strategy. You might also wonder, which social media platform is the best for marketing? The answer is it depends. It's essential to understand where your target audience spends their time. For instance, if you're targeting young adults, Instagram or TikTok might be your best bet. If you're aiming for professionals, LinkedIn would be a go-to platform. Another common question is, can social media marketing alone drive business growth? While social media marketing is a powerful tool, it's most effective when used as part of a broader digital marketing strategy. This can include SEO, content marketing, email marketing, and more. Lastly, how does one stay relevant in the field of social media marketing? Continuous learning is the key. The digital world is fast-paced, and those who stay curious stay ahead. Following industry leaders, attending webinars, and reading up on the latest trends can help you stay on top of your game. So that's a wrap on social media marketing. We've dived into the power of social media, the role of a specialist, and its scope and salary. We hope this gives you a solid foundation to start your journey in this dynamic field. Stay tuned for our next video on email marketing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, your digital marketing journey is just one click away at beawarechannel.com.